have to clean that up when it's all wet and it's just a mess.
It sounds like you're speaking from experience.
Not personally, but
You're right.
I've heard of these things happening.
That's right. We do have those shower chances too for us this weekend as we talk about the coastal low that could form and even bring in some showers for the Piedmont Triad. Still some uncertainty as to where it's going to set up and for how long we'll see that low last. Now, right now we've got that cold front that's going to sweep in, or we've already seen it sweep in. So we've got that cool air in place. We've got the dry air in place for now. What's going to happen is that front's going to stall and that low is going to sweep up the coast and wrap in some beach moisture for us. And that's where we're going to get into trouble, we believe, not only with some winds, but wave heights too are going to come up. Gale warnings are up until Friday morning at 8 o'clock. We're looking at another resurgence of gale concerns as we go into Saturday and Sunday once that low really forms. Rainfall totals have been pretty heavy too from areas like Myrtle Beach south out to Charleston and Pawleys Island area, and then mostly off the coast as we get you out toward the mid-Atlantic, or excuse me, the middle sections of the Outer Banks and southern sections there heading up to Nags Head. It's been light, but 5 to 10 foot waves right now. That's a big deal. We've got gusts too in the 30-40 mile an hour range. And that's what we're going to be looking at heading into the weekend. So it doesn't have to be tropical to cause trouble, but it does have some characteristics that are going to bring in some heavy rainfall for folks at the beaches, possibly 6 to even 8 inches on the high end. Our temperatures right now, though, in the 60s. It's absolutely beautiful. We hit 80 degrees yesterday just as the front was coming in. Temperatures soared with that westerly breeze. Now we've got more of a cool northeasterly breeze, and we've got temperatures today forecast at 67, average is 73. Taking a look at the drought monitor, it's updated on Thursdays. We have abnormally dry conditions that have spread in across the Piedmont Triad, and so looking at that threat with some moderate possibilities developing for parts of Virginia. So still abnormally dry, but we had some help with some September early rainfall, and then again Imelda just within the last week. That helped some for parts of the Piedmont Triad, at least alleviating from the moderate drought concerns. Here's what's happening. The coastal low impacts for the weekend really getting going Saturday morning for folks from Myrtle Beach through Wilmington, Oak Island area as we go through Holden Beach. We then look at this low spinning up along the coast. One of our forecast models, this is our graph model, showing that we could see some of the heavier rains right up along the coast continuing to spread in from Atlantic Beach all the way north through Nags Head by Sunday morning, and noticing it's pushing inland out toward areas like Greensboro, Burlington. And so the best opportunities for rain right now look to be Sunday, scattered showers. We've got a rain chance of 20%. It all depends on how close this low is to our coast. If it's a little bit farther east, we may miss out entirely on the rain across parts of the Piedmont Triad. Meantime, scattered showers are looking more likely from areas like Greensboro, Burlington as we go into Asheboro, Seagrove area and down through Troy. So we want to watch this carefully through the weekend. It is still a developing system. We do know that it's going to bring wind, rain and some beach hazards for us. We've got rip current risks that'll be up through areas from Wilmington as we go up through the Hatteras area and northern Outer Banks. Those high surf advisories also in place for folks south of the Myrtle Beach area, so closer to Isle of Palms and as we get you south through the Johns Island area. Up to 10-foot breaking waves and 1 to 2 inch coastal inundation with dangerous swimming and the heavy rain threats on top of that. So we could be talking about some coastal flooding there. Piedmont Triad, we've got temperatures in the 60s today. It's going to feel fantastic. 40s though tomorrow morning on the chillier side, and we'll be down into the low to mid 40s also in the foothills from 60s today with clear skies. It's a great crisp fall afternoon. You do need the windbreakers though. Breeze will be up there and gusts at times for folks at least east into the Triad and foothills at 10 to 15 miles an hour. You're looking at 60 degrees at least in areas of the mountains. We also talk about Jerry becoming a hurricane as we go into the weekend. So meantime, we'll have a coastal low and Tropical Storm Jerry could be brewing out here. We also have eastern Pacific moisture that we'll be monitoring for any influence on our forecast going into next week. So we'll have a lot more to talk about when we have more on Jerry throughout the day. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Gorgeous weather, 60s, then turn into 70s, getting you back to near normal on Monday. A little warmer by Tuesday at 76.